Here we are at just over a month now. These ducklings are getting big. They are all feathering. And you can even see some of them have started to change color on top. Like this one here. I still can't tell whether or not they're male or female, but that's coming soon. Hopefully we'll start to see some bumps along the beaks, and if we see a lot of bumps starting to form, that could be a male or a drake. Oh, and she looks back. As you can see, they've quadrupled in size. They've got all kinds of feathering going on, and they're kind of a juvenile stage right now. They are always hungry, always full of energy, always pooping. All right, we'll check in again next time.